Hello, and welcome to the Sleepy Butterfly podcast. I'm your host, Jennifer Purcell, and I also host a podcast called Living with Invisible Learning Challenge, and that is about NLD or nonverbal learning disability. And this podcast, Sleepy Butterfly, I wanted to create because oftentimes when I'm searching for a relaxing white noise sound to fall asleep to on another sleepy podcast, or podcast for sleeping, I should say, I often run into noises that are um, kind of annoying and not relaxing for me to fall asleep to because of having NLD, nonverbal learning disability. I'm sensitive to some sounds and like a humming or continuous beeping in the background. I'm sensitive to anything that sounds remotely annoying to me. I'm sensitive to. And so I wanted to create a podcast that had more calming and relaxing sounds for people who are auditorily sensitive because they might have NLD or they have autism and they're on the spectrum or ADHD or they're just sensitive to noises for some reason. So I wanted to create one for you for that population so that you can fall asleep more easily and stay asleep. Or if you just want to meditate to them, that's good too. And basically, they will be white noises from nature that I might capture on a walk with my dog, or when it's raining, or when it's kind of windy and you can hear that those noises from nature. So I hope you enjoy them, and they'll be about probably 20 minutes long or something like that, so you can meditate or you could fall asleep to them and be able to hopefully stay asleep longer as well. Good morning, and I hope you are enjoying the new podcasts that I created, which, again, if you haven't heard of them, one of them is called Shiro, Be Your Own Hero, and that one was about heroism and inspiring yourself to be your own hero in your life instead of trying to look for others to be your hero or mentors. And then the second one is called Think Out for Your Imagination. And that one is about the imagination I had when I was growing up and how I imagined that I could fold up my house into pocket size and take it with me wherever I wanted. And then the next one is Chats, Barks, and Growls, Combos with Your Pet. That one is probably the most fun one because I get to do my voice. And I get to do Truffle's voice. And just, you know, uh, tell you what I think dogs think throughout the day and what they think about their owners. So that one's fun for me. Fun for me. Okay, so you would have just heard some relaxing rain that was in my neighborhood yesterday, and I hope that you were able to fall asleep or meditate to it really well, and that helped you feel more calm and relaxed and be able to feel centered and feel peaceful for the rest of your day as you go through your to-do list and you get that done, and just be able to feel more focused and relaxed and um, at ease, and being able to feel like you can have energy for the rest of your day because you just meditated or you were able to sleep well. And I hope to have you listen to more of these episodes as I create them. Have a good week.